Binuksan na ang pinakabagong Center for Pediatric Development and Rehabilitation sa De Los Santos Medical Center sa Quezon City na naglalayong makatulong sa mga kabataang may developmental problem. Si TJ Mendoza sa balita.
Pinasinayaan na ang isang bagong pasilidad sa De Los Santos Medical Center sa Quezon City na makatutulong para sa mga batang may developmental problem. Ayon kay Dr. Nilo De Los Santos, Chief Medical Officer ng ospital, malaking tulong raw ang pasilidad na ito sa lumulobong bilang ng mga kabataang may developmental problem kagaya ng ADHD. Gayong kakaunti naman ang medical experts at facility na tumutulong sa problemang yan.
This is called the Pediatric Developmental Rehabilitation Center. For so many years, I think it has not been given much attention. Yung mga batang ganitong sakit ang meron sila, no? I probably would not say sakit, but some developmental problems.
Dagdag pa ni Dr. De Los Santos, ang pasilidad na ito ay magsisilbing Center for Rehabilitation kung saan habang naglalaro ang mga bata ay may matututuhan na magagamit sa kanilang pag-develop ng kanilang kaalaman.
But we might as well help them be self-independent as they grow up. But we have to make them fully independent in life. At least they can do things for themselves. Yun ang goal natin.
The goal is to always make progress of every child that we see. So it may not be very fast, but still it's always a progress for them, and the goal is to maximize their potential along the way.
Umaasa naman si Dr. Andrea ng Center for Development and Rehabilitation na dadami ang mga batang magiging bahagi ng center na kanilang matutulungan, lalo sa Metro Manila. Para naman sa Deputy CEO na si Ray Di Maano na 35 taon na sa industriya, nakita niya raw mismo ang increasing demand na kailangan ng mga kabataang may special needs.
Early intervention is very important, and the fastest time that the patient adapts to the treatment, it is also as important in assuring that the right outcomes will also be, we will get the right outcomes for the said patients.
TJ Mendoza para sa mata ng Agila, matatag, matapang, matapat.